This is my secret for the most flavorful garlic chutney ever. I fry the whole cloves in hot oil until they get this perfect golden color.
Frying removes the moisture and cooks them through so the chutney stays fresh and punchy.
Want the best chutney? Start with a sizzle. I'm using 3 spoons of mustard oil. It makes all the difference. Once it's piping hot, drop in the mustard seeds and cumin. Listen to that crackle.
Want better chutney? I always start with this aromatic base.
First, I get the ginger sizzling until it smells amazing.
Want to level up your chutney? Just watch these colors pop. After roasting my lentils, I add the bold red chili first. I never skip hing, then add tangy amchur and turmeric. I finish with coriander, salt, and cumin. It smells absolutely incredible in here. This is the garlic chutney you've been waiting for. First, we toast these spices low and slow to get that perfect deep aroma. Now for the garlic. Toss it in and let it soak up all that flavor. This garlic chutney is my new kitchen obsession. I'm mixing these garlic cloves into an incredible spice blend. The secret? No water. That's how it stays fresh for weeks without spoiling. Look at that oil! Once it cools, it's ready to serve. Pair it with hot roti or grind it up for a fiery kick. This garlic chutney is a total game changer. I saute garlic and chilies, then split the batch. I grind half into a thick paste with no water. Rustic or smooth, it's perfect. Which one are you trying? This is the garlic chutney hack you need. It lasts for months and tastes absolutely incredible. Just toss fresh garlic, curry leaves, and chilies into hot oil. Hear that sizzle? That is the sound of pure flavor. Mix in your spices until everything is perfectly golden and aromatic. This is the secret to chutney people will beg you for. I start with fresh garlic. Make sure they are clean and ready to go. Drop them into heated oil. Listen to that sizzle. No curry at home? Honestly, it is no problem at all. These 2 chutneys are total game changers for your dal, rice, or fresh rotis. Check out this garlic and red chili version. It is packed with flavor and looks incredible. Just prep a big batch, store it in a jar, and you are good all week. Whether it is the zesty green one or the spicy garlic, they are so easy to whip up. Looking for the ultimate food community? Well, you finally found your people. I'm talking epic recipes, daily food inspo, and so much love from foodies everywhere.